How to fix a malfunctioning mouse scroll wheel. Hey everyone, if your mouse is acting up like the scroll wheel is not responsive or it jumps erratically, this quick hack might help. So let's get started. Step 1. Clean the mouse wheel. You can use a napkin or cloth to gently clean around the mouse wheel or mouse scroll wheel. If this did not work for you, you can follow step 2, that is blow out debris. Blow directly into the scroll wheel to remove dirt or debris trapped inside. You might need to blow harder or repeat the process a few times for the best results. So by following these 2 steps, you can easily fix a malfunctioning mouse scroll wheel. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.